Hey guys, Baby right here. I want to let you guys know on something. We're really running low on videos to upload for older videos. Cause we've been looking through and it looks like we kind of upload a lot of them, and it seems like we're kind of running low on that now. So I'm making this update video to explain our situation. Actually, before I do that, if you haven't followed us on Twitter already, you most likely don't know this, but BellaBros has officially graduated from high school. We still have to do, BellaBros has to do some work. Excuse me, my brain is not working right now. I really don't know why, but BellaBros still has to do some work. It's not like a lot, but oh my gosh, this video's not gonna be edited. This is so embarrassing. But BellaBros pretty much has to finish up some schoolwork before they're officially done. But they don't have to exactly follow everything what the school tells them to do. To get up early, to sign up on something that we call the hub, because that's what you have to do to let the school know that, hey, I'm here on time. This is gonna be a bad video, I can already tell. Anyways, that's besides the point. BellaBros has graduated. Yay! They no longer have to worry about stuff at high school. Now it's just college stuff that we all have to deal with. But let's not worry about that just yet. Let's not worry about that. The thing that you guys have to kind of worry about for right now is HomieWeek, because we're kind of like, in case nobody knows, we're halfway done. We're currently working on video number 5 right now. Yeah, it's not really going great. The schoolwork has really been draining BellaBros' motivation, so it's really difficult to do these things. But I want this to be known that we are working on it, and it's not being held behind. In fact, if anything, this is actually our top priority to finish this. And I really, really want to finish it because I literally have another idea popping up in my head that I really want to be admitted as soon as possible, so yeah, I'm gonna try my absolute hardest to resist this idea and tell you guys what it is, but I'll probably give a hint of what it's probably like so that you guys could kind of expect that. I really wanted to work on the Club Penguin after this. I really wanted to work on it, but as soon as I saw tweets from Homie Cow, I slowly have an idea. I slowly have an idea. I'm not gonna say it. I refuse to say what I'm actually talking to. No, oh my gosh. Technically, I'm already giving away from the image, but what I have in my head, I refuse to say what it is. I refuse. So here's the update on HomieWeek. Obviously we got 4 videos done. We decided to move the 60 subscriber special. Yes, we're still working on that. That's not canceled. We decided to move that to HomieWeek because of a certain project BellaBros has in store. No, that's not going to be worked on anytime soon, but it's definitely something BellaBros wants to work on. Can't give anything away because reasons. But yeah, because of this, Evo will be a part of this, and I want this to be very known in case anyone's going to try to think of this differently. Evil is not a homie, which in case nobody knows this, Evil is the nickname we've given to Evil BellaBros. So, yeah. Evil is not a homie. If anything, she's more of a hater compared to the homie. But she does respect opinions, so in case all of you guys are gonna try to go after her for her opinions, she's not going after you for hers. So please don't do the same for Evil. Please don't. If you do, I'm afraid you're gonna have to get told off by Evil. And I promise you all, it's not gonna be pretty. Because I don't think any of you guys want to deal with her sass. With that being said or done, though, because of... Oh my gosh. I lost my train of thought. Wait, never mind, it came back. We need your help with something. This has been something that we have been struggling with since the day of time. I don't know if that makes sense, but I already said it, so deal with it, I guess. We're struggling with this title for the 6th video. So, I'm gonna give my best description, and I'm gonna hope you guys can come up with an idea for this. pretty much, this video is gonna be a movie. More specifically, a movie for the Illuminati event that took place. I think sometime in, it's either 2017 or 2016. I don't remember when it happened though. But we're pretty much making a movie on that, but there's a huge, huge twist. You see, the Illuminati things, we're the main homies. And, the Toads are pretty much captured and are very much to work for the Illuminati. That's all I can really say that I can think of that would explain what the movie is about. And we really can't come up with a title for it. It's dumb, I know, but we really need your help. Whoever can come up with a title for us, we'll definitely shout you out. We'll shout you out. I promise you all, we will shout you out. The final one is going to be a song. I'm not going to really explain what the song is like. What I will say is it's going to represent both the Homie Nation and the Revived Nation, which in case nobody knows what that is, it's another branch of the Homie Nation, but it's more towards the smaller homies, like ourselves, for example. And, yeah. That's pretty much it. I know this is not exactly great. I don't feel comfortable enough to admit the timestamp yet because let's be honest. We kept saying we were gonna get it done in a month. We're gonna get it done in a month or less, but we're currently in May. Like May is about to end, and we hadn't reached the requirement that we're gonna finish it in under a month, which would be sometime maybe at the end of May, I think. So we're not really doing a good job with that either. We're just not. So, we're hoping to get it done by the end of the year. I have no idea if it's gonna stick though. I'm gonna hope we can get it done by the end of the year. I'm assuming we're probably gonna get it done in June if we like are very, very, very productive, but I can't promise that at all. With that being said or done though, I think that's it. I promise y'all we're working on HomieWeek. I'm hoping to get my thought out of my head as soon as possible so that my mind is clear and we're able to work on the Club Penguin event that I literally said not just me, the BellaBros and everybody else on this channel wants to do. We all want to work on the Club Penguin one. That's the second thing we want to do. So is there anything else? Nope, no there isn't. Thank you all very much for watching this. I am very sorry that this is not what you want. I know you guys probably want us to upload videos, but we really can't come up with anything now. So, if we find an older video, I will upload it, but I can't promise anything at this point because we're really, really running low on older videos. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, I guess. And I'll hopefully see you all without any older videos involved next time. Bye!